Jai Hind everyone. My name is Saad Abbas. I am from Jaswantnagar, Etawah. I have done my 10 plus 2 from UP Board and currently I am pursuing BSc Agriculture from Kanpur University. My father, Mr. Mohammad Ali Mirza Blank Smith. I want to join Indian Armed Forces because its uniform and working as a family attracts me a lot. Coming towards our topic that affects in some aspect like topic name is terrorism. Terrorism come after we have an incline on a one-sided views like political views, like social views and religious views. Today's the name of many terrorism groups like Al Qaeda's mainly active in Pakistan, Afghanistan regions, and Taliban's mainly active in Pakistan, Afghanistan that have political influence and they impose our rights in women's child and they prevent women's child to take studies in recent cities and ICIS.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Abhishek Singh. I am from Kanpur Dehat. I have completed 10 plus 2 from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Kanpur University. I want to join Indian Air Force because to serve the nation and inspired by its uniform teamwork. Now I would like to discuss about the topic. Terrorism. Terrorism is a major issue in our India and all over the world. And terrorism is a use of fear attacks which enhances social and ideological fears and
Next.
So first of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sonu Yadav. I am from Badaयूं, Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP Board. Currently, I am pursuing graduation from LJPRU. My father is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I have already dreamed to serve my nation. Its blue uniform and working like a family attract me a lot. Now coming to the topic which has been assigned to us, like terrorism. Terrorism is not a problem of India. It is a major problem all over the world. There are many motive behind the terrorism because religious motive and also political and cyber terrorism also there. So there are many terrorism groups like Al Qaeda, which is like
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gaurav from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed 10 plus 2 from state board. Now I am pursuing graduation from state university. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have one sibling. Now I want to join Indian Air Force because the uniform and working as a family attracts me a lot. It is my first step to brighten up my career. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us, terrorism. Now, as we know, friends, India is facing many problems, and one of the most problem is terrorism. Terrorism use of the violence and
Stop. Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Avnish Kumar from Kanpur. I am 20 certification from Kanpur University. I am part of a loving family with my parents. My father's name is Nitya and my mother's Mrs. Lakshmi Devi. I am passionate about badminton and kabaddi. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve our nation and uphold its value. I am fully confident in my abilities and contribute to the Air Force mission. Now coming to the topic which is assigned to us, terrorism. Terrorism is a major problem of whole world, not only India. Terrorism refers to the use of violence, intimidation and threats of achieved to political, ideological and the religious goals.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Jindan. My father name is Sachin Prakash Sharma. I am from Kanpur Dehat. I have completed my 12th from UP Board. At present, I am pursuing Polytechnic Diploma and Computer Science stream. I want to join Indian Armed Forces because I am deeply inspired by its uniform, teamwork, and feeling of working as a family. That's motivated to build a bright future. Dear friend, in my opinion, this topic is related to terrorism. Terrorism is a serious problem, not only in India but also all over the most of the world. Like if we talk about Russia, Ukraine, and terrorism are many types and religions, terrorism and.
So first of all, Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sangam Singh. Basically, I am from Kanpur, UP. I have done my schooling from UP board and currently I am pursuing Bachelor of Science. My father is a farmer and mother is a homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will give a secure career, and also I want to support my family financially and make my parents proud. So today's our topic is terrorism. Dear friends, as we know that terrorism is not problem of India but also the whole world. Terrorism is not a new term. It's coming on the French Revolution. And terrorism may aim to destroy the innocent people and harm the innocent people, and destroy the peace and create a fairness in the society. And many types of terrorism like cyber terrorism and
First of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Raman Singh. I am from Kanpur, Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP Board and currently I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. My father, Mr. Ravindra Kumar, is a farmer. I want to join Indian Air Force because its uniform and working as a family attracts me a lot. Moreover, it is my first step in my life to make my career bright. Coming to our topic that is assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism is a problem of our whole world, not only in India. And terrorism refers to the fear who creates the fear and they break they break the peace of
Yes.
our society.
So now it's time to start your duty.
So
Yes, my friend, main reason of terrorism is the political agendas that influence the people and sometimes divert some people.
and
Yet they find that
Jammu Kashmir part of central
many people are homeless and
Yes, my friend.
economic terrorism currently began by the French Revolution.
Lashkar-e-Taiba also responsible for the Mumbai attack.
but there are many invaders in India also. Outsiders are not only responsible for the attacks. There are also insurgency.
Some terrorist attacks like Taj
Just for 46 mention of UK reason, Pakistan occupied Kashmir is also affected by Lashkar-e-Taiba and
because it knows that India is developing fast and we economy. So they want to
I
disturb
think there are some loopholes in our strict laws, and also we are not attempting strict laws on the terrorists which are doing terrorism.
I want to add some parts because many groups, many terror groups are in the whole world, but one of them is Al Qaeda, founder of Osama bin Laden, and responsible for
I agree with
US attacks.
and we are also at the point no mercy for the who support the terrorism.
There are many laws like Anti-Prevention Law Act of the 2022 and also SARC Convention in 1993.
Terrorist attack on the district of Gadarbar in Jammu Kashmir. That work, the main depend on the workers who are working on
and destruction of lives in terrorism.
Number 46, I agree with you, and I want to add a point that terrorism is a term that breaks the peace of our society, and they spread fear from
Our country and IB also the contribute to fighting the terrorism.
Yes, some of the IB and the CBI also working
providing a proper social gathering to people to involve.
Yes,
And
number 28, I have some points. Lashkar-e-Taiba is a terror group attacks in 2026 11 and Mumbai attacks responsible for 2008.
Yes, just number 44 earlier mentioned that the Mumbai attack, the chief of the Mumbai attack, Ajmal Kasab, it is held in 26/11 in 2018. In this attack, approx 30 pupils killed.
The main reason of terrorist group is to impose our religious ideology.
There are many motives like religious motives and also political motives. Political leaders
agree with Chester 46. Some of the terrorist group like ISI and Al Qaeda and Taliban and Boko Haram is a yes, they have been cyber terrorism also increasing group. Like take example spreading fake news and directly hacking the banking infrastructure.
It is not necessary they become from the individual religion.
Yes,
They
I
become
want to add a point. It is a very concerning point because in Punjab we can say that Khalistan, demand of Khalistan increasing day by day.
It is It also attacked 15 attacks on Jammu Kashmir, 11 cities that had
Social media is a major cause of terrorist
suffering.
because if we sharing fake news and videos.
Due to the internal effect by terrorist attack, and recently the government of Sri Lanka collapsed due to the Lashkar-e-Taiba and Taliban's groups.
Internal power, I think we should make internal power because invaders inside.
Sum up one by one. Two people only.
Yes, sir. Number 48 also mentioned Al Qaeda and Lashkar-e-Taiba, and 56 is mentioned, and all of you mentioned that that's the deepest root of this topic. Terrorist is a major problem of the whole world, and they killed our innocent people in attacks. But like 26/11 attacks in Mumbai, they were killed 170 plus people in India.
So
Thank you.
One
we
more
conclude the topic.
One should
So
conclude.
we conclude the topic. Chest number 46 is also mentioned as a Khalistani, and chest number 48 and also the chest number 39 they mentioned that. And the terrorism is not a problem; it's a global threat, and we have to reduce it. So awareness and the education and the unity are the best weapon to fight the terrorism.
One second.